course, we launched Ascendra almost 4 months ago, but we would like to make the most out of this occasion. 4 months ago, we have witnessed the opening of this office. 4 months ago, we have officially launched our compensation plan, our turbo. We've officially launched our program, our products. But more importantly today is what we call product activation. Yung term pa lang, binago na natin. Because we want to stay relevant. Sabihin nyo, relevant. Relevant. So in Ascendra, because we're an MLM company solution, or we're an MLM solution company, we do not just focus on the ordinary. We want to be extraordinary. And as far as my experience is concerned, for the last 30 years, ay na ako naka-experience ng product activation na ganito kabongga. From, the preparation. Eto, nangyari lang to nung birthday ko eh. May ganyan ako nung birthday ko, but can you imagine kayo, meron kayong ganyan para, of course, may post din nyo sa social media. Of course, we appreciate all our media partners, the bloggers who are here to witness this wonderful event. But what we want to express and let you know, our dear partners and distributors, that as far as the management is concerned, we are not stopping. We keep on innovating. I'm not yet in the liberty to tell you what's going to happen on October 26. But what's going to happen in October 26 will change the landscape of MLM in the whole Philippines. It's going to be mind-blowing. We are the front runner in this field sa bagong technology na to. We will be launching new products. Again, sa October 26, sabihin. Pero lahat ng pinapakita nating products, whether tangible or intangible, may mga ilo-launch din tayong intangibles this coming October 26. Matagal din ang hinahanap yun. What we want you to know is that ang mga products pinag-iisipang mabuti ko. And we would like to appreciate, of course, our CFO because she's been doing a lot of research and development way back. Kaya ang tawag niya sa mga products na ito, particularly the Barley Fusion, is her baby. Because she's been researching and looking for other active ingredients na pwedeng pagsama-samahin just to come up with Barley Fusion. We would like to come up with products that can really serve our customers well. Hindi yung nagbebenta lang tayo para kumita kayo ng retail profit. Ang gusto natin, long term, gusto natin merong retention sa customers, merong satisfaction, at saka gusto natin makarinig pa ng mga testimonies na katulad ni Leaves na hindi na kailangan mag-take ng antibiotic lagi. Alright, we would like to, of course, help people na magkaroon ng improvement sa kanilang health, longevity, gusto natin mga bumata, gumanda, gusto natin magkaroon ng magandang protection ng maraming tao. And we're leading this, in this field, we are practically leading the way. Because again, maraming mga companies, they just launch products for the sake of launching, just for the sake that they can be called a direct sales company. But in Ascendra, we would like to make sure that when we come up with products, pinag-isipan, ni-research mabuti, at talagang magbibigay ng value for money sa ating customers. Because at the end of the day, it is the customers that really serve. Sila yung talagang pinagsisibihan natin. Because in the marketplace, if we are able to really give value, yung pagkita, madali na. Yung gusto mong kitain sa compensation plan, sa turbo, and everything, madali na. Basta may bibigay tayong produkto na may value sa marketplace. And that's why we keep on innovating. We keep on thinking of ways to make your business easier. Again, baka kasi madulas ako and we're very excited. After October 26, your life in Ascendra will never be the same again.
Just for peace of mind, tama ba ako, FDA approved na rin po siya?
Yes, definitely.
And like, we can research it and we can just look at that.
Yes.
Thank you for that. So, right now kasi there are a lot of barley products in the market already. How do you position yourself para maging preferred siya over the other barley products?
Thank you for the question. So, dito, sa barley products, alam ko, flooded na siya sa market. That's why yung nilabas namin, for example, for best barley, is made from hydrolyzed biofermented barley. Mas madali siyang ma-digest ng ating tiyan. Kasi since hydrolyzed siya, mas pinaliit yung particles, mas madali ang absorption, and mas mataas yung bioavailability. So, pinaposisyon natin ang sarili natin na pag tinake ng tao yung produkto, alam nila that they are taking it from farm to powder form na walang chemicals, nothing, like really no stevia, no artificial sweeteners, just really the pure goodness of barley. Na madaling inumin, hindi kailangan lagyan ng flavor para mainom ng maayos. So, inilalaban natin yung high quality barley as of our information from our manufacturer. They did comparative analysis kung ano yung exist na barley right now. And good news, based on the test that they did, lumalabas po tayo na number 1 ang ating best barley. And for our barley fusion naman, I know it's another barley drink. Itong another barley drink na to is not just another drink. This is the other drink na kailangang iniinom mo. Kasi hindi po ito katulad ng ibang mga barley na iniiba-iba po yung flavor. I mean, ito po yung barley na may kasama siyang isa pang superfood. When we say kasi superfood, it's a macronutrient na kayang i-sustain ang katawan ng tao. And hindi lang siya isa, dalawa. So, yung katulad nga po nagsabi ko kanina, yung hindi po nagagawa ni barley masyado, yun ang ibinubuo ni Fenugreek and vice versa. And I'm sure ang dami po nitong matutulungan ng mga buhay in terms of effectivity. And dito naglagay din tayo ng hydrolyzed glutathione and hydrolyzed collagen. Para kung ang magiging effect sa'yo ni barley fusion is mag-lose ka ng konting weight, at least you have enough collagen and gluta para maging firm yung skin mo, maging strong yung bones mo. So, itong pinaposisyon natin sa barley drinks natin, really full of nutrition, walang halong bola, hindi kailangan ng hype, hindi kailangan na dagdagan pa ng kung ano-ano. Kasi we are sure na itong drink na to, pag ininom mo, maganda po ang resulta.
Thank you. And yung last question ko is, kasi right now, the way to drive sales talaga, or maybe I may be wrong, so is through like affiliate marketing, di ba? So, and if I understand it correctly, may ganon din kayo. So, paano naman kayo maiiba in terms of your other competitors with regards to this kind of marketing strategy?
Well, of course, no, because of the ongoing trend in terms of marketing, affiliate, and everything. Of course, we will give them competitive percentage every time, of course, they sell the products and everything. What we can promise is that sa dami ng challenges sa affiliate marketing ngayon, especially with the fulfillment, we will make it really efficient for our end customers para magkaroon sila ng satisfaction na dumadating ang products on time. And at the same time, because of the effort of the affiliate marketers, we will make sure that they also get paid on time. Kasi maraming mga challenges sa ganyan. that yung culture namin dito sa Ascendra, gusto namin tumagot sa general market. Kahit na hindi ka network marketer ng Ascendra just by being an affiliate or just by being a promoter of these products and using your particular link towards selling the products, makukuha mo din ng maayos yung compensation na dapat para sa iyo. And that we can promise because we are able to deliver that to our distributors.
Thank you.